Welcome to the Financial Roundup, where we take a look at the latest news in the markets. Today, we're focusing on companies making headlines in extended trading. First up is Meta Platforms, the parent company of Facebook. Its stock rose 9% after announcing its top-line results, posting $28.65 billion in revenue. This exceeded analysts' estimates of $27.66 billion, according to Refinitiv data. They also reported almost $4 billion in operating losses from its metaverse venture Reality Lab. Next is Roku, the TV streaming platform. Its stock rose 2% after the company posted a mixed first-quarter earnings report. They reported a loss per share of $1.38, higher than the estimated $1.37. Revenue was also higher than expected, coming in at $741 million, versus Wall Street's $708.5 million estimate. Roku also increased its guidance for current quarter revenue to $770 million, higher than the analyst projected $768 million. eBay also saw a large jump in their stocks, up 5.1%, after the company reported better than expected first quarter earnings and revenue. They earned an adjusted $1.11 per share and posted $2.51 billion in revenue, compared to Refinitiv's estimates of $1.07 per share and $2.48 billion in revenue. They also raised their guidance for second quarter earnings per share to between 96 cents and $1.01, which exceeded expectations of 99 cents. Current quarter revenue estimates of $2.47 billion to $2.54 billion also exceeded analysts' consensus projection of $2.43 billion. Going in the other direction is Align Technologies, losing 5% Wednesday in extended trading. The company's first quarter earnings and revenue came above analysts' estimates. However, shares have already risen 68% year to date prior to the report. ServiceNow, the digital workflow company, reported improved earnings, up 1.2%. EPS of $2.37 beat Refinitiv's expectations of $1.04, and revenue of $2.1 billion exceeded their estimate of $2.08 billion. They also raised their guidance for subscription revenues, with the second quarter and full year estimates higher than expected. On the flip side, shares of First Republic Bank fell 1.6% Wednesday in extended trading, continuing the recent slide that was sparked by the company's announcement of significant deposit flight in the latest quarter. KLA-Tencor, the semiconductor equipment manufacturer, also fell, about 2.4% after missing expectations for their guidance. Pioneer Natural Resources reported a 2.2% drop in its stocks post-market, despite topping analysts' earning estimates. Revenues fell short, while cash flow and cash flow per share were also a bit light of expectations. They also announced plans to have a new CEO in place by the end of 2023. That's all for this edition of the Financial Roundup. Make sure to check back with us for the latest news and updates in the markets. Thank you for watching.